Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping your audio and tools. Trim silence and export as WAV or FLAC at 44. 148K HZ so models hear clear speech. This reduces errors. Once done, pick a transcription engine, local for privacy, cloud for scale, and set credentials now. Make sure to assemble language codes and any domain-specific glossary so the model learns names and acronyms. You'll also decide on timestamps and speaker labels at this stage, because they change how you call the API or configure the software. You now run the core transcription and refine it. First, segment long files into 5 15-minute chunks. This prevents timeouts and improves accuracy. Then apply noise reduction and normalize levels so the model gets consistent input. Once transcribing, enable speaker diarization and timestamps, and set language or automatic language detection. After the initial pass, apply your custom glossary and confidence thresholds to catch low-confidence phrases, and iteratively rerun segments with adjusted settings until accuracy meets your target. You finish by post-processing and verifying results. Run automatic punctuation and capitalization, then export to SRT, VTT, or plain text as needed. Make sure to run a human review on low-confidence zones and correct names or technical terms. This is where glossaries pay off. If results are poor, troubleshoot. Re-record problematic segments, apply stronger noise reduction, or switch to a more capable model. Finally, verify timestamps and speaker labels one last time so the transcript is publication-ready and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.